Hi guys, today we will talk about how to search for devices on your Amazon shopping app. We will go to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your account. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here and it's going to show for you like this. You click here on account, then it's going to take you to next window here. So it's going to show for you like this. When you open this window, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here and you just click here on content and devices, then it's going to take you to next window here. You just waiting to open with us. So and it's going to show for us like this. You click here on devices here on app, then it's going to take you to your devices here, and here you can search devices and you click here and search, and it's going to show for your devices here like this. So on one devices here or Prime Video and Amazon on one devices. So here you will find your devices now. I wish no I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.